What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. In this video we'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals. There are some rumors about a big listing coming soon for Luna Classic. We'll talk about that. But just in general, everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. Luna Classic has been, relatively bullish, at least compared to other cryptos. Has been quite bullish over the last hour, for example. Here you can see quite a big bullish move. But also yesterday we were already a little bit bullish because of the fundamentals. The burn tax is getting a little bit higher again, or at least the thing is that they wanted a higher percentage of the burned Luna Classic to go to the community pool. And they retracted that because the community is not responding well with it, because that obviously decreases the burns of Luna Classic quite significantly. So that happened, so we got some bullish momentum, and then today there's just some there's some news about a Coinbase listing that's going around. To me, that they just seem like rumors, all right? However, there could be some truth to that, but I do want you to know that it's just rumors at this point of time. But rumors in crypto also mean something, right? It does make the market move. If we take a look at the burn tax of Luna Classic, it's still decreasing. It's probably going to be a little bit higher today because the volume is increasing a little bit, and the volume is steady. Volume is actually pretty good for Luna Classic now. Now total burns is at I don't know, 36.3 billion. So that's good. It's nice. I think it's about what's it going to be, like 0.5% or so, or something. However, that's the fundamentals right now. If we look at the technicals, you can actually see a very clear thing, all right? So we have this bullish momentum. I just wanted to draw this trend line from the start, so you know that there's at least some bullish momentum in the price of Luna Classic right now, but obviously you could have already seen that as well. The thing right now that we're struggling with though, and I'm not sure if the fundamentals are going to be strong enough, is this level. Especially this, like, it's a very minor key level, but then you got the 50 EMA just above that, and the 382 FIB, and those are very significant resistance levels, especially in crypto. The market usually reacts very heavily to that. I don't know if I can give any proof to that, but if you take a look at the 50 EMA over time, you can see that a lot of the touches are quite strong. Quite strong historically, definitely in a downtrend, and we are still in a downtrend for Luna Classic. So the big test is really this weekend, I suppose. So the next 3 days. We're probably not going to break above this level around the 382 FIB, or it's actually 14,000. So there's a little bit of a psychological resistance level as well. I think we're going to drop down, but I do think we can actually stay up here and try to break above that. We want to break above that. If you break above 14,000, you'll probably get up towards 14,750 and 15,000, where you'll find resistance and drop back down, but then at least you can hold the support levels we have been holding for the last couple of days for a little bit longer. Because the thing is that if you don't break above 14,000 in the next 3 days, what's going to happen is that you're just going to drop down to 13,000 and 12,500. Kind of that area, and sure, you can hold that for a little bit longer, but then afterwards you're going to drop down, which, yeah, it's Luna Classic, it's almost that time of the month that we have to talk about the Binance burn coming up, right? So it's in a tough spot right now. Personally, I do not think we'll break above that 14,000 level, but if, for example, the Coinbase listing is true, then then we're going to go up even up to this 17,000 level probably. So a lot of things are possible, but to me, it just realistically speaking, given all the fundamentals that we know about, I think it's more likely that we'll drop down and kind of consolidate here. And then if we can actually hold this for the next week, yeah, then sure, we can get a bullish breakout when the Binance burn starts getting fired up. But yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.